So we've treated Lucy today with our new product in the clinic, Profhilo. This is her second treatment, so it is at least 2 treatments needed. We've injected in specific points in the face, 5 on each side, so 10 in total, with a 2 ml syringe of hyaluronic acid. So what it will do for Lucy is it will help to hydrate her skin, give her a really nice glow and a little bit of a lift in the area. As you can see, after the treatment, there was no downtime, so maybe a couple of tiny little lumps in the area, but they will go down by the end of the day. The treatment, as you can see, is comfortable. Lucy had no discomfort during. We did use a topical numbing cream on the skin for 15 minutes prior to the treatment. Results of the treatment will be seen from about 8 weeks after the first session. So there's 2 sessions, the first one, then the second one 4 weeks afterwards, and then we'll start to see the results 8 weeks after the first session. We can also use Profhilo on different areas of the body, including the neck, the hands. It's really great for the texture of the skin on the back of the arms, or in fact the front of the arms as well. Anywhere where there's a little bit of textural issue or laxity on the body. If you start to have your first treatment now in the next month, you'll see the results ready for Christmas, New Year's, party season.